Are you looking for the top 5 Murphy beds that maximize space? Everyone thinks the best-selling Murphy bed is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Hugum Standard Size Bed Pillows. Let's kick things off with the Hugum Standard Size Bed Pillows. These pillows caught my eye not just because of their luxury hotel style, but also because they come in a pack of 4 for just $26.91. If you want comfortable and supportive pillows for all sleep styles, this is worth a serious look. Now, why should you consider these pillows? First off, they have a premium filling made of faux down microfiber, which means you're getting softness and support without too much sinkage. It's designed to maintain its shape, so you won't wake up feeling like you're sleeping on a flat pancake. Plus, the silky pillowcase is breathable and gentle on your skin, which can help improve your sleep quality. With over 2,000 sales in the past month, it's clear that people are loving them. However, I did find some complaints about the pillows being too firm for some users. Here's the thing though, if you prefer something softer, these might not work for you. But if you like a bit of support while you sleep, they might be your new best friend. This is perfect for you if you want affordable pillows that can support any sleeping position. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-soft plush pillows that sink in. Now, if the firmness of the Hugum... Product number 2. Feisabaoli Japanese Floor Futon. Next up is the Feisabaoli 6th Generation Japanese Floor Futon Mattress. Priced at $57.99, it's designed to redefine comfort with its extra-thick 9-layer construction. If you want a portable sleeping solution that offers great body support, this is definitely worth your attention. This futon features high-density foam that distributes pressure points effectively, which is perfect if you often feel sore after sleeping on a regular mattress. The quilted top not only adds a touch of style, but also enhances comfort, making it great for anyone who needs a good night's sleep on the go. A lot of users have shared positive experiences, and it seems to be selling quite well with over 1,000 bought in the past month. On the downside, some users mentioned it takes time to fully expand after unpacking. It can take anywhere from 3 days to 3 weeks to reach its full comfort potential. But honestly, if you can be patient, the comfort you'll get afterwards is worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile sleeping solution that can adapt to different spaces like guest rooms or dorms. Skip this if you're looking for something that's ready to use right out of the box.
Product number 3. Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow. Now, let's talk about the Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow. Priced at $27.99, this wedge pillow is designed to solve the irritating problem of things falling into that annoying gap between your mattress and headboard. If you want a straightforward solution to keep your pillows and small items in place, this one's worth a look. The key feature here is its ability to fill gaps from 0 to 6 inches, making it a perfect fit for various bed sizes. It's made from high-density foam, which means it's durable and will maintain its shape over time. The curved design helps you sleep comfortably without any awkward elevation, promoting a more natural sleeping posture. Plus, it includes handy side pockets for your phone or remote, so you can keep everything organized. However, there were a few complaints about the pillow being a bit bulky for some users. Here's the thing though, if you want stability and support, this design is excellent. If you prefer a slimmer profile, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your bedding tidy and prevent items from slipping off. Skip this if you...
Product number 4. Rockscox Memory Foam Trifold Mattress. Next is the Rockscox Memory Foam Trifold Mattress, priced at $229.99. This foldable mattress is perfect for those who need something that's portable and versatile. If you want a mattress that adapts to various situations, this could be your go-to. The trifold design makes it easy to store while still offering comfort, thanks to its 6-inch thickness combining plush memory foam and supportive foam.
This means if you're using it for camping or as an extra bed for guests, both comfort and durability are a priority. Its non-slip bottom keeps it in place, which is a nice touch, especially when you're moving around on it. Many buyers have praised its comfort, and it's already racked up over 400 purchases in the last month. That said, some users mentioned that it can take a while to fully expand after unpacking, which can be a bit of a hassle. But honestly, if you can wait a couple of days for it to fluff up, you'll be rewarded with a comfy sleep surface. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile mattress for camping, guests, or tight spaces. Skip this if you want a mattress that's always ready to use as soon as you take it out.
Product number 5. Vakia King Bed Wedge Pillow Alternative. Finally, we have another option from Vakia, the King Bed Wedge Pillow, priced at $23.39. This version has similar features to the previous one, but with a slightly lower price point. If you're looking for an affordable solution to keep your items secure while you sleep, this is definitely an option worth considering. This wedge pillow also fills gaps ranging from 0 to 6 inches, and it's designed with a triangular shape that not only prevents loss of items, but provides neck support as well. The large side pockets mean you can store all your bedtime essentials, keeping your space tidy. Plus, the removable cover makes it easy to clean, ensuring hygiene is not an issue. However, some users found the firmness to be a bit too much for their liking. Here's the thing. If you prefer a pillow that offers more support, this will work great. But if you're looking for something softer, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution that keeps your sleep space organized. Skip this if you want a plush, cloud-like experience. So, to wrap things up, we've explored some amazing Murphy bed options. From the affordable firmness of the Higum pillows to the versatile Roxgogs trifold mattress, there's some. Product number 6. Best Pick. In summary, we covered the Higum standard size bed pillows for support, the Face Body Japanese floor futon for versatility, the Vecchia bed wedge pillow for practicality, the Roxgogs trifold mattress for comfort, and another affordable wedge option from Vecchia. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so make sure to pick the one that best fits your space and sleeping habits.